7 powerful ways to use 7 spiritual perfume for manifestation and healing. But before we start, I want you to know that this is a very powerful spiritual perfume. You can find it in an online, you can find it in an Amazon. But if you have it, but you don't know how to use it, and maybe you've been seeing it in an online shop, but you don't know how to use it, I want you to follow me today. In this video, I will elaborate the 7 ways in which you can use this very spiritual perfume for fast and instant results. Yes. If you have this perfume, 7 spiritual perfume is very powerful perfume, but you don't know how to use it, you are in the right place. Just follow me to the end of this video, because this video will help you discover 7 incredible ways to use 7 spiritual perfume, and you will transform your life starting today. If you believe this, please kindly go to the comment section and type, "I am ready to transform my life starting today." Then you are all set. But before I proceed, I welcome you to my channel Everyday with Solution, where we share spiritual tips with the help of natural remedies for instant solution. If you like what we do in this channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our videos. Let's go. Here are 7 ways to use this perfume. 1. For love. Get the perfume. Use this perfume to pray and manifest love. Fast for 3 days. Pray and tell God to, shower you with God's love, self-love, love from a specific person and others. Read Psalm 45, Psalm 136, and Psalm 145. After that, add the 7 perfume in your bathing water and spray some on your head while going out. Then expect your results fast. Yes, the number 2 way how you use this perfume is for money. How do you use this perfume for money? So when you get this perfume, pray and ask God for financial breakthrough in money, business, and life. Ask God for wealth and riches to be in your house and life. Ask God to allow you to receive a financial miracle. Pray for 3 days with Psalm 112 and add in your bathing water. Rub in your palm and on feet while going out for more connections. How do we use it for power? Pray for physical and spiritual power. Power over your enemies and power over everything you want to manifest. Read Psalm 23, Psalm 109, 119 for 7 days and put in your bathing water and add this perfume. As you embark on your prayers, remember to spray your whole body while going out. How do we use it for health? Pray for good health and express gratitude for gifts of good health and spiritual upliftment that contributes to overall well-being. For 3 days with this perfume and read Psalm 41, Psalm 25, Psalm 73. Also add in your bathing water and apply all over your body while going out. How do we use it for luck? If you're using this perfume for luck, pray and ask God for abundance and prosperity. Read Psalm 23, read Psalm 37 and Psalm 112 for 1 day. Put this perfume in your bathing water, rub all over your hand and apply on your hair while going out. How do we use it for protection? Pray and tell God to be your guardian and protector during the day and night. Ask God to be your shelter and protect you over all attack of the enemy. Pray for 1 day. Psalm 23, 46, 64, 91, 112 and add in your bathing water. If you want to spray it all over your body, that's okay. If not, that's fine for this purpose. How do we use it for success? Ask God for success in your life, business, and in all. Read Psalm 37, 84, 11 for 1 day. Yes, add in your bathing water and spray on your palm and on your hair while going out. I want you all to know this. You must have a positive belief and trust God for all your manifestations to work fast. And before any spiritual bath, always make sure you've taken your regular bath first. Never use your regular soap in any spiritual bath. Use only spiritual soap if the Spirit directs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and share it to anyone who needs extra help manifesting with this 7 spiritual perfume. Don't forget to subscribe for more spiritual tips and natural remedies that can help you live your best life. Remember, what you don't know is bigger than you, and what you see as mystery to others is never a mystery. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I'm out.